finally did it. What's up, guys? I'm on my way to pick up my new CPU. I'm buying it off Marketplace. I'm in the process of upgrading my current setup just so I can edit videos a lot better and for gaming and all that. So yeah, let's go get my new PC part. Before I grab my CPU, I have to head off to Memory Express quickly. I have to grab a SATA cable for my hard drive because I'm running out of room. And I'm gonna also grab thermal paste because I don't have any thermal paste to install my new CPU. So yeah, we're just gonna head to Memory Express right now. Got it. All right, so we got the Ryzen 5 3600, and I also got the thermal paste. So yeah, let's open this thing up. Okay, so this took a lot longer than expected. There she is. When I booted up the computer, everything was fine, but I didn't have any audio. I have built-in speakers onto my monitor and I couldn't find it. So I tried to update the drive, did not work. I tried to check my sound settings, nothing was there. So what I ended up doing, because my HDMI cord is connected to my GPU, I had to uninstall and then reinstall the driver. But basically that fixed it. And yeah, pretty happy with this upgrade. What's up, guys? New day, and I am going to pick up my new GPU. I found a really good deal on Marketplace and I couldn't pass up on it. So I am going to upgrade my GPU. Let's do it. All right, guys, we picked up the new GPU. So super excited to get this installed. It's literally going to be a big upgrade from my RX 580. New CPU, new GPU, new year. Minor upgrades until I'm able to build myself a new PC. But in the meantime, this is a great upgrade. I'm super excited to install this. So we'll get into another montage of that. The moment of truth. I hope it boots up at least. Okay, I already downloaded the driver. Am I gonna get display? That's the question. No display. Okay. Okay, I might have to YouTube this.
A few moments later.
After some Googling, I figured out that I needed to plug in both power slots. Basically, that's why I wasn't getting any display, but now I am. And I'm just installing the driver and hopefully it works. Okay, we finally did it. It's actually installed. I can't believe it actually worked, but there she is. Look, new CPU, new GPU. Woohoo! Thank you guys again for watching. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and coming along, doing these minor upgrades for my PC. I hope to do a full build for you guys eventually. That would be really cool to vlog about that. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day. Thank you guys.